you go report the price, how expensive.
What's your favorite Asian food?
Ai Dúa chứ nè.
Ồ, tôi có khổng đó là cho nó rong cho plá hay là sao tôi dưới chai nó cho một xì nữa. Một chỉ món cho plá nè. Đây cho tôi cho rong cho plá kia ra cho nó chỉ là kia sẽ tôi sai thôi. Sao dưới đây này cho một xì hết. Cục plá nè, cho có một chỉ món cho plá nè.
Ôi chà hôm mua ấy cho khổng nhất là có cho nó có nhỏ Asia tết.
Hey, you want to try this? There's a good food too.
Right.
A lot of sugar.
A lot of sugar.
Yeah, I buy like 2 Thai. This is second Thai.
Oh. Okay.
Lai tá la đấy, giờ mình đi lai tá la này.
No, not like, not like.
When you be like a little kid, go to school. Oh my God, that is so big! Holy shit!
What the fuck?
That thing is hella big. It's a big dog, huh? See, we don't have dogs. We don't have dogs because we might lose dogs.
I'm not sure about it. What about what I'm looking for tea? Not my favorite this one. Cho ta. Which are your favorite juice?
Huh?
What are your favorite juice?
Orange juice, 99 cents.
Yeah.
I don't want to be YouTube.
Ah, let's see your cheers, huh?
How much is that?
This one $1.79 per each.
Wow, that's
Not,
expensive.
not cheaper. Before
No, 139.
139 for one. Oh my God, used to be cheaper, 89 cents.
No, talk about it. Big
139.
one.
Yeah, that's a small one. The orange is $1 each.
Yeah,
$1 each.
not
Wow.
Very
So
low.
you grow a tree, you could.
The big one is
Okay.
$2.
Okay, people want to buy stuff. Let's go. Let's go. We could YouTube later. Right?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's go. So we can pay for orange.
Oh really?
I thought you said you want to cut your hair. Oh, I cut for you.
cheaper. Yeah.
No, I think tomorrow.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right now.
Not tomorrow.
Yeah, right now.
Tomorrow.
Guys, we go to work tomorrow.
Yeah, you too.
Now they close it now.
Tomorrow, I got my hair. Ooh. What kind of soap is this? I want to look for that one soap. It's a man soap.
Oh, you want it?
I don't know where to find it at.
You want it and buy it.
No, not this one. It's the man soap. It's called man soap, not the girl soap. Right here, man soap?
Có rồi chưa cao vậy.
Yeah, the man soap.
Smell good or smell bad?
Right here, the smell good right here.
Or smell good?
Right here. This one is the goat. Okay, not bad.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad right here. Mint. These are good soap right here.
A lot of smell.
Yeah.
Smell good.